came out to film myself and couch shop, fresh praise around, look around. This is a school. It's actually where I finished, and but that's not the point here. The point here is so it's obvious to us that lately Capcut has really made a lot of their features that is so interesting to most especially content creators as make those features pro. So a lot of content creators find it very difficult to make quality editing compared to when they use other apps. Well, to me, I use other apps, but then one of the things I love CapCut is the fact that they are too robust. To be honest, like you can literally do everything you need basically on editing on that app, like both the captioning and the rest, the color grading. You could just do everything there. And one beautiful thing I love it for is the fact that you can do all those things even while you are even on the go. Like when I with my phone, I edit my video. I'm in a car, I edit my video. I'm I'm on transit, I edit my video. Like I don't get to stop, like go to a secret place before I start editing video. So on a go, I'm editing video. That's one of the beautiful thing about it. And very I do my video, I export it. So these days now, since they make everything pro, only God know how we want to get our way out. But you see one thing about Nigerians, we always go through. Well, I'm using the free version, but from what I've heard so far, a lot of people have been able to break into it. Like you understand now, start using the pro version, even by courts way. Well, I'm not advising sorry because to me, I see it as like a theft, like probably stealing or something. Yes, now that's what it is. But then, and I'm not saying you shouldn't use it; it's your choice. Okay, but then I think it is high time for us to look out for other video editing app that could give us what we want. And for those of us who want pro, and the funniest thing about this CapCut editing, the pro version monthly is even more expensive. Like so guys, if this is really affecting you, let me know in the comment section. If you have any alternative, like another app we could use instead of using CapCut, let me know in the comment section because I'm really looking for other apps, most especially when it comes to captioning. Like I'm looking for other apps that can help me do those things. Then you can we start purchasing the pro version of it. But thank you very much for watching to the very end, and do well to like the video, subscribe, follow me if you're watching on Facebook, and if you're watching on YouTube, do well to hit the subscribe button, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.